Hi, I'm Garth Powell. I'm the Senior Director of Engineering at AudioQuest, and I'm here to talk about the Niagara 3000. A device like this is sometimes called a power conditioner. Some call these power regenerators or an AC isolation device. We like to call it the low-Z power noise dissipation system. But it's not what you name it that counts. It's what it does for your audio-video system. You see, what you must understand is that we're dealing with a technology, that being alternating current or AC power, that's nearly a century old. It was never made for sophisticated audio-video devices. It was made for an incandescent light bulb and a simple appliance. It's not nearly good enough for what we require today. And it's not just that. We also have radio waves. We've had these to contend with since the 1920s, but today's environment has brought us many new ones. These are much smaller and far more difficult for our sophisticated electronics to negotiate and deal with. The new generation of radio waves can come from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, satellite, and cellular towers. These are unwelcome parasitic noises, signals that will couple to your home entertainment system. What will that do? How about distort, mask, or erase nearly 1/3 of your low-level content? This can be proven with any differential test and spectrum analysis. That's not good. We have to do something about this, and the technology in Niagara most certainly will. The Niagara 3000 is unique amongst all power products, eclipsed in any way only by its larger siblings, the Niagara 5000 and Niagara 7000. Some of the features that make this product so unique, for example, are our patented ground noise dissipation technology. There are 3 types of noise that exist on every AC line and that can distort or mask the information content from any component with an AC cable going to it, or particularly a grounded AC cable. And one of those 3 noises is introduced to your system via ground. What are most AC power components? Be they a regenerator, isolation device, or a so-called typical power conditioner, do about this induced noise on ground? Absolutely nothing. That's unfortunate, but not with Niagara. Ground noise is addressed properly. In addition to that, we have our Level X linearized filtering. Now, many devices filter, but sadly, rarely through a wide enough bandwidth or range to cover enough of the induced noise. Further, the filtering or dissipation is rarely done evenly, consistently, or what an engineer would call linearly. That's so important because if you don't unveil the mask audio-video signals from the induced noise as evenly and consistently as possible, it's akin to revoicing a system. We don't want that. I don't want to change what's good about a system. I simply want to make it better by allowing it to be the best it can be. In addition, for the power amplifier, we've included our transient power correction. For the Niagara 3000, it's 55 amps for up to 25 milliseconds of current reserve or a transient current reservoir to aid the power supply of any power amplifier, making it perform significantly better. We also feature non-sacrificial surge protection. Set it and forget it. It can handle 6,000 volts, 3,000 amp capacity multiple times. This means that any lightning surge or wiring fault that could possibly take out your Niagara 3000 would first take out your home and melt its electrical panel. There in flames, the Niagara is the least of your worries at that point. What we need to understand about a component like the Niagara 3000 is that it's a foundation level product. Given all of the added distortion and the potential for lost signal content in your AV system, you can certainly upgrade other components, but the improvements you will gain will be with the signal that's left over. Because once the signal's lost, it's lost forever. Everything starts with AC power. The industry may consider power regulators, power conditioners, power isolators, or even the Niagara 3000 to be an accessory. It's not an accessory. It's a necessity.